The COVID-19 pandemic has forced us to stay at home and self-isolate. Considering many of us are stuck at home because of the outbreak of this coronavirus, we are giving our skin the time to breathe. And while we would expect to have a clearer complexion as a result of eating at home and not using too many skincare products, but some of us are seeing their skin break out in this COVID-19 lockdown. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of my amazing DIY pimple face masks that will not only help you get rid of pimples, but their continuous use will also help you get rid of acne scars tremendously. And the best part is, they really work. So let's move on to the ingredients required for this face mask. The first ingredient required is honey. The main reason why honey is so great when it comes to acne scarring is because it has antibacterial properties, which means it kills all the bacteria present in your skin. The second ingredient required is aloe vera gel. Now either you can purchase aloe vera gel from the market or you can extract it from the aloe vera plant. I would prefer to take it from the plant because it gives me raw aloe vera gel without any impurities. Apart from being the best moisturizer, it replenishes your skin, repair damaged tissues and acne scars. Now let's move on to the preparation for our first mask. Here I will extract fresh aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaf. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Make sure to take the ingredients in equal proportion. Now let's blend the mixture. And here we have our first mask ready. Apply it all over your face. Now leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and when it feels like it's completely dry, wash off your face with warm water. For the next mask, we are gonna incorporate 4 ingredients: lemon, honey, turmeric and aloe vera gel. These ingredients really work very well together. Lemon is actually packed with citric acid and vitamin C, which over time helps to lighten and brighten your skin because the properties in lemon acts as a natural exfoliator and helps to remove the dead skin. Turmeric has great anti-inflammatory properties which helps to reduce the redness and the swelling on your face. Now let's move on to the preparation for the second face mask. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add half tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. This is what our final product looks like. Now put this right on your face. Wait about 30 minutes until it dries, and then you can go ahead and rinse it off. The third mask requires only one ingredient, that is neem face powder. This product is very powerful and is most effective in removing acne and its mark. Now let's move on to the preparation of third mask. We'll require 1 tablespoon of neem powder, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Now mix this mixture thoroughly. The antibacterial properties of neem help a great deal in keeping a check on breakouts like acne, pimples, blackheads and whiteheads. It also helps in clearing excess oil and dirt from deep within the skin pores. And now we have our most effective face mask ready. Apply it on the area of acne and leave it overnight. Rinse it off with warm water in the morning. Try to do this 3 to 4 times a week if you really want to see the fast healing. Apart from applying these masks on daily basis, we also need to take care of few other things. First, stress. Now even though you may not have to commute from office to home or back, there are also many stressors at home. From worrying about your family's daily routine to stressing over your job cuts or pay cuts, all of it is taking a toll on your skin, which causes breakout. So basically what happens when we are stressed is our sebaceous gland overproduces oil. Our pores closes up because of the excess oil, and these clogged pores leads to inflammation, which causes acne breakout. Lack of sleep, not having adequate amount of water and indulging into too many junk food can lead to acne. So the key to healthy skin is following a 4-step skincare routine on a regular basis. If you want to know what are those 4 steps, don't forget to check out my morning skincare routine video. Make sure to have a healthy diet and exercise, hydrate yourself at regular interval, have adequate amount of sleep and make sure to have food rich in vitamin D. So that's all for today's video, guys. Follow these steps and I ensure you will have an acne-free skin within a week. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.